Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to pin a comment on TikTok. And for that you need to go to your video or your pictures, go to comments, and there's the comment that I just placed. Hold that comment, and from here you will see that there's no option to pin the comment from here. Alright, now we want to do the following thing. If you go back, and then go to settings and privacy, then go to report a problem, and then go to chat with us. I asked TikTok help desk, why can't I pin comments? And they are telling me TikTok doesn't support comments pin function at this time. We appreciate your suggestion and will continue improving your experience. So this means that this option is not any available on TikTok. So stop searching further and just accept it that it's not an option anymore. If you find this video helpful if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. I'm just here to telling you the truth, and have a wonderful day.